It is a beautiful day in mid-May, and today I need to clear out the freezer that I have in the garage because we are going to get a new garage. That means we have to empty it out and sort it and try and fit it into the freezer we have in the house. So you should come along for the ride. This is our freezer, a little bit worse for wear after a leaky roof. And here's all the bounty that we have in here. We've got lots of sausage that my husband and his brother and friends made. We've got some bones for the dog, or I could make like stock with it. Shanks, more sausage. And I think this bin here is what Leanne is going to be using. I think this is some of her meat because we're going to grind it up and stuff. But I think basically I'm just going to take this and I'm going to bring it into the house and count it up and figure it out there. Here is the damage of what was in our freezer. I did end up leaving Leanne's bags of grind. I think there was about 4 big bags like this in the freezer. So it's, I don't know, about 10 to 12 pounds a bag. So that'll be meat that we'll grind up for her. That'll be good. I have shanks. There are so many shanks, which are all in this, this bucket. These are tenderloins. I don't know what we were thinking to not like downsize this. I don't know. There was a lot of butchering going on. Here's the bones. So that'll be good for making soup and stuff. Oh, look, another shank and another shank. In these 2 buckets, this is all sausage that was made this year. In this bucket, now I don't know what we were thinking here too. Maybe we thought, oh, we'll package that smaller. We didn't. This is all dog food. Little packets. Look at us go. And that's dog food. And then that other bag is dog food. And then here are the rest of our shanks. And a neck roast, which I had forgotten about. So if you guys have any good neck roast recipes, I would be down for that. Absolutely. And then we have 2 packages of unknown. I'm assuming this is probably a liver and this is probably some other organ. And both of these will be made into dog food for Ruby. But yeah, that's where we're at. So I'll take a quick inventory of all this and then run it downstairs. Now comes the fun part, trying to get all this stuff into our freezer in the basement. Wish me luck. Just kidding, I don't need luck. I just need to channel my inner husband because I don't know how he does it, but everything seems to fit when he puts it away. I'm about to move to our second freezer here in the basement. As you saw through the time lapse, this is where we're at. I still have way more dog food that I'm going to put in the other freezer. That's where I put the big bag of dog food until we can figure out what to do with it. We'll probably just pull it out and then have her eat it through the summer as like on a really, really hot week or something. Yeah, and then that's the rest of our stuff that isn't, along with fish, isn't deer. More inventory. $258 pounds. That's how much venison that we have in our stockpile for the rest of the summer and into the fall. We probably won't use all of it. I'm guessing we'll probably still have some left over, but that's totally fine. Why do you ask? Why did we have to empty out the freezer in the garage and bring it inside? Well, we've got a garage build planned. We've got the garage down already, and hopefully it'll be up by the end of July. We'll see how that goes, you know, builders and such. If you want to come along for the journey, then feel free to subscribe because we'd love to show you the process of everything. We are so excited to set it up to hang all of our deer and possibly moose and elk, and to have all of our butchering done outside instead of on our dining room table. And we'd also love to do more DIYs, whether that's with antlers, or my husband Curtis would love to try and like tan some hides and maybe make some drums or something like that. But it really gives us a bit more space to be able to experiment and have some fun with wild things. The largest amount of items we have are backstrap, sausage, and shanks. So if you guys have any great backstrap and shank recipes, please leave that down in the comments, because I would love to try out some new things this summer, because I'm a little bit bored. Let's be honest. There's only so many taco recipes that I can do with shanks. So please leave me your recipes. I hope this video motivates you to take stock of your inventory so that nothing goes to waste, to use what you've got, and to be the best hunter that you can be. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Catch you next time.